Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is let. Here's a picture of a man letting a bird go. Here is let in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Let means to allow something to happen, to permit it. Let. Past progressive was letting, past let, present progressive letting, present let, future will let. Let's build a sentence. They are letting. Today, we will use the present progressive tense. Let's build a sentence. They are letting, Who? Who are they letting? They are letting me. All right. Let's build a sentence. They are letting me, What? What are they letting me do? They are letting me drive. Okay, I like to drive. Let's build a sentence. They are letting me drive. Where? Where are they letting me drive? They are letting me drive in the race car. Oh, that's awesome. Let's build a sentence. They are letting me drive in the race car. Where? Where am I driving the race car? They're letting me drive the race car on the track. Ooh, this sounds fun. Let's build a sentence. They are letting me drive the race car on the track. Why? Why are they letting me drive? To finish the race. Ooh, I'm racing. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder video lesson. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. Keep up the good work.